Welcome to day 15 of my 60-day phase 2 bulking phase challenge. As I continue with my recovery from my injury, today I am doing my old warm-up session, which is more focused on my upper body. And this old warm-up session was one of the warm-ups I used to do on my first phase of my bulking session, and during my recovery period before I dedicated my time in having a separate mixed cardio session. So my warm-up sessions were just main like light weights, which did not involve any cardio at all. But as before my injuries, as you are aware that I was focusing on cycling and more cardio, I am realizing that my old warm-up session was one of the greatest things I ever did in the gym. Although I am doing light weights, it feels like a long way coming, and I feel like motivated to really focus and start doing heavy weights. Please subscribe to my gym content. Love my video. Also subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.